Repeat the following words.
Ice cream. Pet. Sport. Book. School. Color. Parents. Brothers. Sister.
Repeat the following verbs.
To like. To have. To play. To swim. To read. To go. To help.
Repeat.
Do you like? Do you like? Do you have? Do you have? Do you? To play. Do you play? Do you? To swim. Do you swim? Do you? To read. Do you read? Do you? To go. Do you go? Do you? To help. Do you help? Do you have? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Short questions. Repeat.
Do you like ice cream? Do you have a pet? Do you play any sports? Do you know how to swim? Do you enjoy reading books? Do you go to school every day? Do you have a favorite color? Do you like to draw or paint? Do you help your parents at home? Do you have any brothers or sisters?